Okay, now we're just going to do a few tricep presses. Press the arms down by the sides. Bend the elbows in by your sides. That's it. And you want to feel like there's a newspaper between your armpit and your body. And now press the arms down and then bend the elbows and come back in. Not too far behind. Elbows hugging into, bring the elbows a little forward so they're hugging your waist. Good. And go down and come back in. Hug that imaginary newspaper. Don't let it slip out. There, hug. It's okay if you don't straighten your arms. I'd rather you maintain this connection. That's right. So you want a little external rotation of the upper arm to hug inside of the armpit. Now lift your spine as you press the arms down. Very good. One more. Lift the spine as you press the arms down. And then reach the arms forward and come up. Good. Now we're going to do a roll down. And we can put the heels down, yeah.